I'm Rowdy Gaines, three-time Olympic gold medalist and the voice of swimming. I am so excited to partner with Pinch a Penny, the largest franchise swimming pool retailer and service provider in the country. Through Pinch a Penny's Be the Splash program, we are committed to promoting water safety, fitness, and a lifetime enjoyment of swimming. Pinch a Penny has partnered with some outstanding organizations who share the same vision, including the world's largest swim lesson. Did you know that drowning is the second leading cause of unintentional deaths of children ages 5 to 14 in the US and the leading cause in children ages 1 to 4? But we found the cure. Formal swim lessons can reduce the risk of drowning by 88%. The Special Olympics is another great organization with whom Pinch a Penny has partnered. The mission of the Special Olympics is to provide year-round sports training and competition in a variety of Olympic-type sports for people with intellectual and physical disabilities. By providing year-round opportunities to participate and compete, athletes develop not only physical fitness skills, but experience courage, achievement, joy, and friendships with other athletes and with their communities. Pinch a Penny is proud to be the presenting sponsor for the annual state swimming and diving competitions for Florida and Texas high school athletes. I am very excited that Pinch a Penny is the presenting sponsor for the Rowdy Gaines Legends Swim Camps that take place annually in Florida and Texas, and for the annual Rowdy Gaines Masters Classic in Orlando, a swim meet for Masters level adults every October. Pinch a Penny is celebrating its 45th anniversary in 2020, having grown to over 250 locally owned and operated stores. It is because of these community ties and their commitment to water safety, fitness, and a lifetime enjoyment of swimming that I am so excited to partner with Pinch a Penny to help others be the splash in their own communities.